Today, let's check out this 1938 Norton Manx International. Well, welcome to Bator International. Today we're checking out this beautiful 1938 Norton Manx. They're also called Internationals back in the day. And as you can see, this bike here is in as-raced condition. Or off-the-track condition, if you'd like to say that. This Manx International engine was so iconic back in the day. It had the single overhead cam engine with valve springs, or I think they're called clothespin valve springs. It has a magnesium engine case, Norton 4-speed gearbox, plunger frame, 20-inch wheels front and rear, Amel GP carburetor, has a scalloped welded gas tank, the original conical front brake drum, the proper numbered girder front forks, engine and frame numbers both match. Also has the Dunlop solo seat with P-pad. The gas tank's in very good condition. Smith's tack. Everything's been safety wired. Again, a beautiful, beautiful motorcycle. These Norton Manxes were, well, what can I say, synonymous for winning the Isle of Man TT many, many years throughout. Also won many other races throughout the world. This also has the alloy head and barrel. Engine's a 500cc solo or single cylinder. And I must say that these early Manx Nortons are the most iconic of all the early British racing motorcycles. If you have a serious British motorcycle collection, this motorcycle is an absolute must-to-have. Or if you want to go out and do some vintage racing, you'd be the belle of the ball. So if you'd like some more information about this bike, feel free to give me a call direct. You can also check it out on our website, batorinternational.com. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and also subscribe, please, to our page or channel. If you'd like to leave some comments, please feel free to do so. I'll be happy to talk to you. Also, make sure you check out the rest of our videos. We have about 500 plus videos up on YouTube as we speak, adding more every day. So thanks for watching. Hope you like what we're doing here.